3 things you should know about women and orgasm. 1. It's not always easy for a woman to reach orgasm as compared to men. According to a 2018 study, 10 to 40% of women report having difficulty or inability to reach orgasm. Reasons range from stress, anxiety, age, to medical issues, past trauma, arousal difficulty and lubrication. 2. Using a condom does not affect or hamper a woman's orgasm. A lot of people think that because sex can often feel better without a condom that their orgasm will too. But women are equally likely to experience orgasm with or without a condom. 3. Orgasm gets better with age. As you get older, the quality and frequency of orgasm improves.